Tip number 5. Understand how different parts of the speech are formed. So, one way to change the part of a speech is by adding a suffix to the root. As we know, words have a root and we can change words as just by adding a suffixes. And this can help us to when there is a section in the TOEIC test in which you have to distinguish from adjectives to nouns and verbs. So it's really important to know how to differentiate. So one way is to know the different suffixes for adjectives, nouns, and verbs. As for examples, in nouns, we have, for example, ship, and then we have the friend. So together they make the word friendship. So this can change the completely meaning of the word. So that's why we have to be extremely careful in this part. So to achieve and complete and get a good score in this exactly part is to know how words can be made and learning the different suffixes.